afternoon, welcome to Maths Live. We've got Hattie and her sister Elsa watching today. We've got Aidan and Sage Albans. We've got Aoife, hello, welcome back. I'll do some more shout outs in a second. Here is your challenge question to recap from yesterday, so have a go at that while I do some more shout outs and then we'll start subtraction. We've got Thomas and Oliver in Sheffield. Hello, Lachlan. Hi, Imogen. Hi, Amelia. Hi, Isla in Canterbury. Hi, Iona in Tunbridge Wells. Hi, Amelia in York. Welcome back. So take your time with this. Remember the regrouping. Hi. Hi, Noah. Hi, Kate. Hi, Kane in Norwich. Hi, Harry. Super. Got a couple of answers. Just wait for a couple more to come in. We all seem to be getting the same ones, right? Let's have a look. Let's have a look. It's so warm today, isn't it? So warm. My hair's even gone a little bit frizzy. So thank you for joining in this lovely, lovely weather. Right, let's have a look. So 2 plus 9 is 9, 10, it's 11, but we need to split the two place values. One goes here, and then our 10s goes below or above. So I'm going to put it below. And then we add our 7, 8, and then don't forget about the one that we've regrouped. So 7, 8, and then 9. 8 plus 5 is 13. So there's our 3, and there's our 1 that we're regrouping. 3 plus 7 is 10. Don't forget our 1, that's 11. So the 1 goes across here, and then 5 plus 4 is 9, plus the 1 is 10. So it's 101,391. Let's have a look. Yay! Super! Well done, guys. Okay, column subtraction today. So as we saw, the addition got gradually harder yesterday. Lots more regrouping, lots more thinking about splitting the place values when you get a value more than 10. And it's the opposite with subtraction. Sometimes you need more values in order to make the calculation work. So again, as normal, I'm going to do some modelling, and then we'll go through the challenge questions, and then I'll give you some extra challenges. So let's, for example, we have the number 876, and we subtract 254. Okay. 6 take away 4 is 2. 7 take away 5 is 2. And 8 take away 2 is 6. That is nice and easy. That does not require any regrouping at all, because the top numbers are bigger than the numbers directly underneath. It's when the numbers above are smaller. So if I give you another, I'm just going to do 3 digits to start. So we've got 916, and we subtract 372. Okay, so 6 take away 2, we can still do, that's fine. Now here, 1 is on top, and it's 1. Remember, you're subtracting the bottom number from the top number. It's very easy to look at this column and go 6. It's 6, but it's not, because you have 1 and you need to subtract 7, and you can't do it. But we don't just put 0. What we need to do is regroup the 1. Okay, we need to change the 1 so it becomes a bigger number and able for us to do the calculation. So we do what's called regrouping, and that means we go to the next column, we make that 1 less, and put that place value into this column. Now, this is the hundreds, this is the tens, and this is the ones. Okay, so what we say, the 1, it needs help. So it says, hey, next door, number 9, give me one of yours. So the 9, it says it politely, but makes it very, very clear what it needs. So 9 becomes 1 less, which is 8, and that extra 1 goes across. And it's not 1 plus 1 is 2, it's a 10 and a 1. So it's now 11. So we do 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Okay? And then we can do 8 take away 3, which is 5. So that's the regrouping. It's not giving 1 over like an addition. It's bringing 1 back when we need it. I'll give you another example. 5,063 subtract 2,135. So a bit of a longer number now. Now, immediately, we have 3 and we need to take away 5. We can't do it. Don't just assume that it's 2 and you can do it any way around. Addition, you can do it either way around. Subtraction has to be the top number being subtracted by the bottom one. So 3 isn't enough. So it goes next door and it says, hey, give me one of yours. So 6 becomes 5, and that extra 1 goes to 3, and it becomes 13. So now we do 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. Now, 5 take away 3, we can do is 2. Remember, you've changed it to 5. You've got 0, you've got nothing, and you need to subtract 1. You have to regroup. Remember, it's not 1 take away 0, which is 1. You've got nothing. So you go next door and you say, hey, give me one of yours. So that extra 1 that you've taken then goes in front of the 0. The 0 now becomes 10. So it's 10 take away 1, which is 9. And then 4 take away 2, which is 2. Okay? I'm going to show you one more, and then we'll go on to the challenge questions. And this is one that crops up at the end of year 5, but definitely into year 6. So, 3,000 subtract 1,573. Now then. Oh, that's a lot of zeros. And it looks quite intimidating, but just take your time. So, we can't do this one. So we need to go next door. Next door can't help us. Oh no. So we have to go next door to them. But they can't help us. So we have to go all the way back to the beginning, to 3. Cross 3 out and make it 1 less, which is 2. Then give that over to make it 10. Okay? But we can't just stop there because we have to. We don't now do this one. We have to go all the way back to the beginning. So now it's this one needs help. So 1 less than 10 is 9. And we give that extra 1 to this column. So that now becomes 10. Now the tens column can now help out the ones column. So that becomes 1 less again, which is 9. Oh, and our ones column's finally got the help that it needs. So 10 take away 3 is 7. 9 take away 7 is 2. 9 take away 5 is 4. And 2 take away 1 is 4. Now, sorry, I wanted to just point that out. So yeah, just take your time going across. Don't panic. Don't think, well, you can't do it at all because the next column's not got any to add. Keep going and it will eventually work. Right, let's have a go at these challenge questions that I posted. Again, they got gradually harder as they went along. And I gave you 4 again today. Oh, Steph's getting me with these challenge questions, though you are getting an extra few days to do them. So question 1 was, 258, subtract 323. Give that a go if you haven't already had a go. If you have had a go, check your answer. And question 2 was 13,487, subtract 4,589. Have a go at those. Tell me your answers while I see how we're doing on the feed. Oh, well done for all giving. Oh, well done everybody. Super. Just scrolling back, making sure I've done. Hi Billy in Hull. Hi Anisha. Hi Amelia. Oh, we seem to have some similar answers for the first question, so that's good. Hi Connie. Thank you for joining in. Hi Amelia in Stratford. I hope I pronounced your name right. Okay. So let's have a look. You're all very keen today. So, first question. 8 take away 3 is 5. 5 take away 2 is 3. 4 take away 3 is 1. 135. Next question. Right, we need to regroup straight away because we've got 7 and we need to take away 9. So we go, hey, next door, give me 1. So that now becomes 17, take away 9. So 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. Same problem now, we've only got 7 and we need to take away 8. So we go, hey, make yourself 1 less, give me 1. So 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9. 3, take away 5, we can't do it. So we go next door and we say, hey, 3, you become 1 less. And the 3 now becomes 13. So 13, take away 5. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. The 2 is stuck. Okay, it needs to become 1 more because we've taken away 4. So 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. So your answer is 8,898, which I saw a lot of you had put, which is amazing. Now, next 2 questions, not simply just column subtraction, it's with some added problems. So question 3 was this. You have 1, 4, 5, and then a missing value, and you need to subtract 2, something, and that will give you the answer of 1,064. So can you work out what those 3 missing boxes have? And then Luca has made a mistake in his calculation. He says that 61,383 subtract 22,974. He says the answer is 49,609. We've been told that he's made a mistake. Can you spot where he made the mistake? Give those 2 questions a go. While I have a drink of water. Oh, thirsty work today. Brilliant. Super well done. joining in. Oh, you're all gone quiet or working away. Oh, so Lachlan's got an answer for the first one. I'll give you 20 more seconds. Why is Luca wrong in that second question? What has he done? Right, so this one. Something take away 2 is 4. So what number take away 2 is 4? That is 6. Now with this one, 5 take away something is 6. We can't do that. 5 take away something is 6. So you must have had to regroup in order to do this. So it must be 15 take away something is 6. So think about it. So 15, and we need to get to 6. 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Now that works. Okay, so 15 take away 9 is 6. So what must this have been? So we must have had to cross that out to make it 3 to give the 1 to the 5. So 3 take away something is 0. So what do you take away from 3 to make it into 0? Must be 3. Okay, and then the 1 is just left. There's nothing interrupting the 1. So it's 3, 9, 6 that are the missing parts. And what has Luca done wrong? Let's have a check. So he's got 9 for the first bit. So we can't do 3 take away 4. So you go across, make our 8 1 less, which is 7. And then 13, 12, 11, 10, 9. So he's got that first bit right. And then 7 take away 7 is 0. That's good. 3 take away 9. Now, we can't do that, so we need to go across, make that 1 less, which is 0. And then we do 13, well 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Ah, I know what he's done. He's done 9 take away 3 by accident and got the answer 6. So he's switched it the wrong way around. So what he should have done was make that regroup. So he's forgotten to regroup. He's forgotten the pattern. So it's 13, so 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So that should have been 4. And now the rest of it will have been wrong because he's not taken 1 from the rest of the part. So that needs to become 5. So that will be 8, not 9. And that will be 3, not 4. So this was the correct answer, but I only asked you what the mistake was. If you spotted that he did this column the wrong way around, fantastic. Well done. Right, let's try some challenge questions now. All doing a super job today, even though it's all hot and our brains are all fuzzy. Okay, let's get the red pen. Red pen's been quiet today. So I'm going to ask you to do 421 take away 198 and 53,129 subtract 21,784. Give those 2 questions a go. And then there'll be a super challenge question after this one. Yay! Got them all correct. Well done. Oh, is there a little glitch? If you've got a glitch, just refresh it. If you refresh the page. Oh, great explanation, guys. Must be my computer getting a little bit hot and flustered. Oh, got some answers coming in for the first one. Good. Oh, got answers coming in for the second one. Oh, and some of you have got the same answers. Right, I'll give you 10 more seconds. It's quite nice to be able to compare your answers to other people, because you might just spot something and go, oh yeah, I misread that, or I miscounted that, or I misgrouped that. So, one takeaway 8, we can't do it. By the way, if you're still on this one, don't worry, carry on. One takeaway 8, we can't do it. So we say, hey, next door, give me 1. So 1 now becomes 11. So it's 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. 1 takeaway 9, we can't do that. So we go next door, say, hey, give me 1. So 9, 10, 11, so that's 2. 2, 2, 3. Well done if you got 2, 2, 3. And then this one. So 9 takeaway 4, that's easy. 5. 2 takeaway 8, can't do it. So we go next door and say, hey, help me out. I need more of a place value, give me 1. So we do 8 takeaway 12, so 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Now this has got 0, it needs to take 7, so we definitely need to borrow 1 from next door. So 10 take away 7 is now 3, because we changed our 0 into 10. 2 take away 1 is 1. 5 take away 2 is 3. Well done. Right, one more question. And then I'm very excited to announce 2 competition winners. So, are you ready? Give your arms a wiggle, arms a stretch, brain ready. Go for it. Go for it. Remember what I showed you in the practice. Take your time. Brilliant. It's got some answers coming in. I like some people doing 1 digit at a time, right? Oh, 2 people have got the same answer. Oh, 1 person's got a slightly different answer. Be careful. Hi, Reby. Jumped in there with the answer for the last question. Ooh, we're close. Some people have got 4, 7, 6, 6. Some people have got 3, 7, 6, 6. Some people got 3, 2, 6, 5. There seems to be 3 answers floating around, so just check. If you've done it, just double check. Think, right, have I done that right? Hi, Ellie and Barwell. It is a hard question. That's why it's this challenge question right at the end of the lesson. So, you've got nothing and you need to take away 4. So we go next door. But next door can't help us out. So we go next door again. But they can't help us out. So we have to go right down to the thousands column. and they need to start regrouping from there. So the 5 becomes 1 less, which is 4. Now it can't jump all the way to the 1s. We need to work what's called systematically. That means in steps. So the 4 regroups the 1 to here. That's now 10. 10 can now help us here. So cross that out. Make that 9. That extra 1 goes to this column. This has now become 10. But we still need to help out the 1. So that becomes 1 less. That becomes 9. And now we have enough. So 10 take away 4 is 6. 9 take away 3 is, I'm having a brain freeze there, is 6. And then we've got 9 take away 2, which is 7. And we've got 4 take away 1, which is 3. So the answer is 3,766. Right. I'm quite amused actually that there's someone... I'll tell you in a second. So we had a poetry competition and the entries were fab, and I've said already on my page that it was so hard I had to take 2 days to make a decision rather than 1. My new Maths Live t-shirts have arrived. Okay, that's mine at the back, my new big one, and then we've got some little ones for you guys. So, the poetry competition. Well done, Olivia Hanley, for such a beautifully, not even such a beautifully presented poem. It was so beautifully written out, but the words were absolutely fantastic. And well done to the people in 2nd and 3rd place as well. It was Summer and Aoife, so thank you very much for that. And I have got another t-shirt. I wanted to give another one for people, for someone who's been participating every lesson, and they're always first one on. As soon as I log on and I say, hey, welcome to Maths Live, they sometimes beat me to say hello. But the funny thing is, I think this is the first lesson he's not taken part in, probably because it's beautiful and sunny outside. Sam in Nottingham, you've been incredible joining in with Maths Live. I know, Harry, you have too, but you've already worn one of these t-shirts, haven't you? So I want to send one of these to Sam as well. And thank you everyone else, obviously, for taking part. Hopefully I'll be able to do another competition with these t-shirts again soon. Thank you for taking part today. You've done amazing with your subtraction. I'm going to put a challenge question up straight after this to do with subtraction, and I'll be back tomorrow for addition and subtraction word problems. Enjoy the lovely, hot, sunny day, and I'll see you tomorrow.